So if you want to add a third field and have those three fields one after the other, next to one another I should say, you can go ahead and add another field. It's called email, and what we want to do is go to appearance here, and in the classes field, want to add these classes. That one in there. Right. This one we want to take now and put that to middle, and first name we will left, update it, preview it, and then we'll have three columns next to one another on one row. I hope you found the video useful, and if you have, please would you consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. Thanks.